Rob and I are officially on our annual father-son camping trip to Silver Lake. Got the Jeep loaded up. This year we added scooters to the mix, and still got our bikes. Got like a half hour till we get to the campground. We're pretty stoked. We're staying at, it's called Dune Town. It's like a different campground this year than we were in last year. This one has a pool and stuff, so should be pretty fun. You pumped?
Yes.
We had a little unexpected rain last night or this morning, but this time I planned ahead. Brought a tarp and bungee cords. Did have to stash our stuff here, but all is good. Screen porch definitely was a clutch investment too. Got a little bit of rain here. Really, really happy we bought this screen porch tent thing. Rob and I got the Jeep aired down. We're ready to hit the dunes. Our first time on the dunes this year. Ready? Looks like it's supposed to be a great day. No more rain, knock on wood. Dune ready vehicles only, that's us. We're gonna do our first run with the doors on, so that way we get a feel for it and all that good stuff. But other than that, we're ready to rip. 4-wheel drive. You good?
Yeah. Good thing we're not driving scooters on it.
If we were driving scooters, we would have made it about 3 inches, I think. I can't wait till you can drive because it's so weird of a feeling. It's so much fun.
Sounds
So that was a little deeper than I expected.
a little.
We had a bit of sand, a bit of water come over the windshield. It was awesome. I was like, I'm not gonna go in the deep part because I don't want to get the camera wet because I don't have like the door on it.
No, Dad.
That was a lie.
Trust me, it's perfectly dry. Not a
Every time it
single
happens, you always get soaked, and I hardly get anything.
Yeah, why is that? Like, Look at my seat. And look at your seat.
Ridiculous. Hello, Norbert. He likes you. Yesterday, Rob and I went through that puddle, and the GoPro was fine. It worked for hours after that, but I left it sitting in the back seat, and it must have been in the sun. It's kind of totally dead. It won't power on. What do you think, Rob?
Good luck.
Good luck, he says. We're going to try dunesing with the doors off, which I don't think we did last year. I think we only did it with the doors on. I don't remember. There is a long line of cars to get into dunes today. Look at this. Wow. You would see him everywhere I go. I get to wait in lines for car events. This isn't bad, but at least we're moving here.
Dropped the pill on the floor and I couldn't find it anymore. So who the hell makes an orange flooring? I don't care if it was built with love, but you know you ain't my doctor. So who are you to lecture me like that? I know just how it ends and
Alright, I just shot sand inside the car.
I lost my train of thought, so you don't have to pretend you're here. A guilty laughter I just can't help. I know all your bitter lips I can grip. Smell of this acid tongue though. How can you keep it in? Tell me in the name of what, love? We'll just keep keeping it in. Not even if I could. Not even if I should. Got nobody's worst, dear. People are sorry too. The sweet boys may fool them, but I can smell a sour breath on you.
Rob, you look like a little ant. Starting to get harder. It's almost perfectly vertical. Oh. Are you giving up? We're like a quarter of the way up.
No.
It's so far. The nice thing is on the way down, it's a little easier.
Yeah, you can just run all the way down.
Made it. Rob is still going. That was our trip today so far on the dunes. Maybe we'll come back later, not sure yet. Definitely the most full we've ever seen the dunes. Yesterday I was saying, like, they have this like permit staging lot thing, and I didn't really understand it. But now it makes perfect sense. Like, this place is packed. So all those people were waiting to get a permit to park here today so that they could go ahead, stacker. didn't really realize it when I booked this trip, but it's like 4th of July weekend, which is a huge party weekend here at the dunes. So it's actually been pretty cool because there's been tons of stuff to look at and lots of people and cars and stuff. It's been really fun. What do you think?
Awesome.
Rob says awesome. Is this our most fun that we've had at the dunes ever?
Yes.
I agree. You gotta, like, so we've been here since Wednesday, today's Sunday, so that's like a good amount of time. I feel like we wish we didn't have to go home, but
Agreed.
it's still nice that we get to do stuff like this. We did it!
Yeah.
Get sand in your eye?
Yeah.
Do you want to come out and see how tall it is?
Kind of.
It's pretty sweet. See, I told you, isn't it crazy how much there is more there too? This is the pond that I killed the GoPro in, but since the GoPro works now, I feel like we're good. We drove around. I drove through it a few more times. But... Rob, the real question is, do we just go straight to get out of here?
No.
I don't think it's that deep right there.
I think that's the deepest hole.
Is it?
Yeah, that's where
No, I got stuck over there. Oh yeah, it gets, Bravo, look. It gets deep quick.
Hold yourself. Guess what, Dad? I told you so.
He told me so.
Yeah.
Campsite is cleaned up, packed up. We're ready to go. We're both sad. But it's a good camping trip. Thank you. Gonna go race some go-karts and play in the arcade.